Hey yo, what is up intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and if you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Make sure to smash that like button if you found any kind of value. Make sure to subscribe too, because on this channel we do a lot of videos on daily basis like this, on like every single day. And if you wanna support the channel or if you found any kind of value, just smash that bell notification and like subscribe. And you know everything, like, yeah. Yeah, so basically we have Tezos or XTZ with the USDT, or the Tether token, the Tether US dollar, or basically the stable coin, which is approximately $1. And basically Tezos is sitting at a price of around $3.32 or $3.32. Overall today we can see that we are up just quarter of a percent, or 0.25%. We are basically having we are up right now 0.40%. For the past, I mean, yesterday we were actually up, which was a pretty beautiful day, like 5.57%. Pretty beautiful upside move. We have this triangle right here that I think that we're building enough pressure before we go to the buy zone and then start push blast to the upside. We'll see what will be happening with that, but my prediction was just push up right here. I will still keep this on my chart for just like that, and I think the time is coming for the next week or two. I think that we're going to be seeing a lot of movement going on, and first of all going to be touching this buy zone right here. That's what I have there. And for the thing that you basically click on this channel on the video is should you put 1k right now into Tezos at the point? The simple and like answer for this will be absolutely yes. Absolutely yes, because I believe in the project, and this is my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. I know I may be wrong. A lot of people will fuck up if they listen to me, but I'm just giving you my opinion, guys. Overall, yes, I know a lot of people will say that Tezos is no, bro, Tezos is not good, not that good, because they basically bought up when the hype was going on, and basically they right now are down, and they're saying, oh, it is a scam. But if you're doing your own due diligence, go like search up about the project. You will see that this is a pretty beautiful crypto to own, coin to own, and asset to have. So yeah, this is basically it. Let me know what are your thoughts about this. If you want to support the channel, just smash the like button. You don't know how much it helps me out with the YouTube algorithm and overall with my motivation, all the thing. Thank you guys so much for watching till the end. If you want to earn some free cash, go like up to $40, go into the link to the description down below, and I will be seeing you guys soon. Peace out and have a great day.